This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop spam messages on iPhone iOS 17. To stop spam message, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on messages, scroll down. Here you will get this filter unknown senders. So to stop spam messages, enable this option and then go to your messages, and in your primary inbox you won't get any spam message. To see or check your spam messages, tap on filters and tap on unknown senders, and here you will get all of your spam messages. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.